Hi everyone, I'm Cedric from Property 65 again, and today we're at the northern side of Singapore, Admiralty. The house is at Block 687C, a 5-room flat, 114 square meter, a 20-year-old house. And if you're looking for the house that is 7-minute walk to Admiralty MRT, do stay with us for this home tour. So now, let's head up to the house.
You'll get maximum brightness and ventilation as this unit have more than sufficient windows in the house.
Sorry to interrupt guys, but the house is already sold with our customer delight.
What?
We managed to sell this house during the first week and the first viewing itself. Congrats to the owner. Want to know that how did we manage to achieve this at a high price at such a short period of time in a one-hit, one-kill situation? Watch till the end of the video to find out. And also, right now, back to the video.
Located along Woodlands Drive, this unit is only 2 minutes walk to the food court and neighbourhood shops for your daily necessities. Travel another 3 minutes walk and you get to Admiralty MRT. You can find giant supermarkets, Starbucks, McDonalds, KFC, Subway, Coffee Bean and many more shops. As for families with children, you'll be glad to know that there are a total of 13 primary schools within 2 km, including the reputable Admiralty Primary School, Top 48, which is 1 km away, while within 2 km, Canberra Primary School Top 45 is only 2 bus stops away. This home is sized at 1,227 square feet. It comes with a spacious living and dining room, 1 bomb shelter, 1 master ensuite, 2 common rooms, bathroom and an enclosed kitchen. This layout is really great for huge families as you can fit a 8-seater dining table. You will not have any problem if you love to invite guests over. This living room is also spacious and can easily fit a 3-seater sofa. The bomb shelter is also tucked neatly at the corner, which maximizes your dining area. Such a great layout to fully utilize the space to renovate your own customized liking. Entering the kitchen, you'll be greeted with natural sunlight and ventilation since we are on a high floor. A great sizable kitchen with fully fitted appliances. Moving on to the first common room, this room is slightly larger, making it ideal for your children. It offers ample space for a comfortable bed and additional furnishings. You can even consider getting a larger wardrobe for ample storage spaces. Moving on to the second common room, it is perfect for a guest suite or home office. The large windows allow great natural sunlight and the closet space ensures versatility to store all your personal belongings. Let's unravel more amenities here in Admiralty. With just 1 MRT stop forward, you'll be at Sembawang MRT, where you'll be able to find Sun Plaza Mall with Sembawang Public Library, Decathlon, Koufu and Hai Di Lao. With 1 MRT stop backward, you'll be at Woodlands MRT, where you can shop at Causeway Point Mega Mall. There is Cathay Cineplex Cinemas, Courts, Fair Price Finest, Kiddie Palace, Sephora, popular enrichment schools and many more shops and restaurants here. What's more, the first phase of Bukit Canberra is completed, which is currently a mega transformation for the residents in the north. It will be an integrated hub with hawker centre, indoor and outdoor facilities, polyclinic, a senior care centre and green spaces for community farming. Finally, introducing the master bedroom. This spacious retreat is a homeowner's dream. It boasts plenty of natural light with large windows at all corners, allowing you to wake up to the warm glow of sun each morning. The wardrobe can be tucked into the corner, creating great space and convenience to the ensuite bathroom. Do remember, you can always change the renovation of a home, but not the location and the floor level of it.
And yes, we have come to the end of the home tour. I'm very confident that this unit will make to your shortlist due to its competitive pricing. Are you curious to know the price of the house? Contact me to find out. And before you go, remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and Facebook, link in the description box. And once again, I'm Cedric from Property 65. We sell higher, we uplift your home value. Contact us to explore your choices now.